Pocket option versus expert option. Best option trading platform. I'm going to tell you the difference between pocket option and expert option, and which one is better platform for trading options. Both platforms offer fast, high and low binary trading, flashy interfaces, and quick profits, but they are not built the same. Pocket option is known for its user-friendly dashboard, high payout rates, up to 92%, and a wide range of assets including forex, crypto, and stocks. It also features social trading, tournaments, and flexible time frames, making it perfect for traders who want a dynamic and gamified experience. Expert Options, on the other hand, has a cleaner interface with a more professional feel, slightly lower payouts, but stronger analytics tools and a better mobile experience. Both platforms are offshore and not heavily regulated, so risk management is key. If you're into fast paced, reward heavy trading with a more community driven feel, Pocket Option might be the one. But if you prefer a slightly more structured experience with better charting tools, Expert Options has the edge.